you how to replace the element on a HydroBoil. For starters, you've got to make sure that your power supply is disconnected and that you have closed your water supply to the HydroBoil. You've got to remove the cover, which has 4 screws on it, 2 on either side. Make sure that you drain the water out the tank. You can do it via the tap, but you just got to be careful because this water will be hot. Okay, this is where the element is situated on the tank. You've just got to be careful that the way you take it out is the way you're going to put it in. So the best way is just to check how the wires are situated and the angle of that. And you'll see here there are 5 screws that hold the element to the tank. So all you do, you just open your screws. Start opening there. You can see there's just a little cable tie that holds all the wires together. Cut that cable tie out. Open your wires like that, and then you just got to cut the red and the black, and that's your element. Okay, as you can see, this is how we took it out. That's the way it's got to go back, right, with the front faced up. Okay, you can cut back, and of course you just put your 5 screws back and make sure they're nice and tight. Pull your wires through there, and then the next step is to rejoin these wires again. Screw back that goes underneath from the drain plug. Just one side is tight, you make sure the unit is nice and secure. And that's your cover back on. So the water will run out the tap, and that will tell you that the unit has got water in it before you turn the power on. But it's actually best to make sure that it is full.